Well, here we go with one last integer addition and subtraction problem. Remember your rules. If your signs are the same, you add and keep the sign. If your signs are different, you subtract and keep the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. Looking at this problem here, I have 50 plus negative 33. So the first thing I would probably want to ask myself is, what kind of integer is this? 50 is a positive integer. What kind of integer is this? Well, negative 33 is a negative integer. Just looking at that, then, I have one positive number and one negative number. My signs are different. When your signs are different, you subtract. So let's just do the math first. We got 50 minus 33. Then we're going to worry about the sign. I can't take 3 from 0, so I'm going to borrow. 10 minus 3 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. My difference is 17. Okay, now 50 is 50 away from 0. Negative 33 is negative 33 away from 0. The number with the larger absolute value is 50. So my answer is a positive 17. So we leave this 17 alone as a positive number, and that's how you do that equation. So remember, you have to be able to spot whether a number is positive or negative, and then apply the rule. When you add and subtract, if your signs are the same, you add and keep the sign. If the signs are different, you subtract like they were in this problem and keep the sign with the larger absolute value, which in this case was the number 50.